In this problem, you'll be using your calculator to find an exact value. We're working on part A of problem 1, and you've read the instructions carefully. You are going to put the numerator in parentheses because you're looking ahead and seeing that, oh, I didn't write that down. You need to cube the whole value, so I'm going to put in my calculator 3 times 2.1. That whole quantity is raised to the power of 3. And right here I'm going to hit the enter button, and I'm going to divide that value by, and again I'm going to use parentheses, 7 times 1.2. If you don't put parentheses around the denominator right there, what will happen is that your calculator will take the numerator value, multiply that by 7, divide that by 7, and then multiply the whole thing by 1.2, and that's not what you want to have happen. Write down the exact value. Don't worry about rounding if you have an exact value. And in fact, in this problem, they don't want you to round. So 7675. In part B, you're asked to write that answer to 2 significant digits. That is not 2 places after the decimal. It's 2 sig fig. We're going to just round that to 30. In part C, we're going to find the percentage error. So the percentage error formula is on your formula sheet. It's in topic 2, numbers in algebra, but the formula is to take the estimated or rounded value, subtract the exact value. Now if you don't remember which way to do the subtraction, that's okay, because you're going to take the absolute value at the very end. You want a positive percentage error, but in this case it's going to turn out to be positive. Divide by the exact value and multiply by 100 so that you can write your answer as a percentage. Let me just do that in the calculator. 30 minus 29.7675. I'm going to hit enter right there. I'm going to divide the numerator by 29.7675. I'm going to hit enter again, and I'm going to multiply that by 100. Enter. And my answer as a percent is 0.781 sig fig percent, because it says unless otherwise instructed to write 3 sig fig. In part D, you're asked to write your answer to part C using scientific notation. There are 2 ways you could write this answer. You could move the decimal from part C over 1 place, and you could write 7.81 times 10. You move the decimal to the right, so I'm going to say 10 to the negative 1. But don't forget to write the percent. Or you could write 0.781% as 0.00781. Move the decimal over 3 places and write your answer as 7.81 times 10 to the negative 3 without the percent sign.